Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I actually lied. It's the past 2 days worth of time broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I do want to note before I go any further, this is kind of a tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought up there, or maybe you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 25 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it that the price is currently pulling back. But from the big picture, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher lows being built over time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. And the bulls do still have an opportunity to build that higher base. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably just had more of a day trading perspective going into the trade itself. And really the easiest way to look at this chart going forward, and the point of this video is I really want to just apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, and that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to continue to move itself upwards and look something like that. If you're thinking, hey, that looks like a trend line. Exactly. In fact, that's why I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because as time goes by, that quote-unquote trend line will draw itself for you. And not to insult your intelligence, but as long as the price stays above this line, then overall the price, that implies that the price is building these higher bases, and that is what you want to see going forward. So as far as gauging the health, monitoring the strength of the price movement, yeah, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are in full control. In terms of areas of resistance, shorter term one seems to have risen here after today, and that's right here at the 52-cent mark. You can see several times bulls try to get up above that level but couldn't quite do it. So 52 cents initial area of resistance. And then after that, next key level up there at the 57-cent mark, which I know I talked about in yesterday's video. So all in all, from the big picture viewpoint, just stay above that purple line. And as long as that remains the case, everything else will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.